Hello, we took specially for you the Delage outside. It's a little bit cold, it's -5. There's ice on the water here, but it's a great day to drive for the Delage. It's beautiful weather, the sun is shining. I will start the car. You turn the key and there's a push button on the floor where you start the car. Engine runs very nice. It's a 4-speed gearbox, and the reverse is completely to the front. So you go backwards, and this is the first gear. Engine runs very nice. Second gear. I'm not a specialist in double shifting, but maybe it's better to double clutch. But when you do it slowly, the car shifts very good. Driving third gear now. The speed though is exactly, we're driving 40 kilometers an hour. The third gear. When it shift over to fourth gear, the engine has a lot of torque. Just push on the gas. The car has many beautiful details. Everything is nickel on the car. It's all in very good condition. The car was restored in France by a Delage specialist, and it's in the top condition. We have some pictures of the restoration. Here you see the sign of Figoni. Spare wheel in the back, and the mother-in-law seat also in the back. You step on here and on there to get in. All in perfect condition. There's 2 horns. Engine runs very nice, very smooth. You see the original identification tag from Delage. It's car 33783 in the type D8. And here we have the engine number. It's over here. And it's the original engine, the original number, the original engine for this car. We have we have a mail from Delage Club of France, where they confirm that this is the original engine. Turn signal. So here, turn signal left and right. We have oil pressure, it's very good. We have here the amperes. And here we have the water temperature. It's very good. Driving now 80 kilometers an hour.